was really tough. So many games and less days, but it was good for Finnish national team because we are young and we learn there a lot. I like a lot. Team is really good and yeah, I like this very big hall, this Erko Arena. So I'm a little bit how to say lost here, but I like it. I feel good and I'm happy to be here. See you guys tomorrow.
Yeah.
See you. Ciao.